Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about expression evaluation, precedence, and associativity. In C programming, the order of precedence of operators determines the order in which operations are performed in an expression. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before operators with lower precedence. For example, in this expression, the multiplication operation has higher precedence than the addition operation. So the multiplication will be performed first. This means that the expression is equivalent to this. Here is a list of operators in C programming language in order of precedence, from highest to lowest. When two or more operators of the same precedence appear in an expression and the operators are not enclosed in parentheses, the associativity of operators determine the order in which the operations are performed. In C, the associativity of operators is either left to right or right to left. For example, in this expression, the associativity of the assignment operator equals is right to left. So the expressions are evaluated from right to left. This means that the value of C is set to 0 first, then the value of B is set to the value of C, and finally, the value of A is set to the value of B. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.